Hey, back off. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and toasters and toaster ovens. Welcome to the 944. He just goes, no. Welcome back to the 944. Wolfscott Prep, 18 days. Bodywork, paint, and hopes and dreams. Let's show you what Black Hall's doing.
This might be the one time I'm speechless.
Temporary, as you can see, very much bent carport for Half.Ass.Garage. So that's a very weird, dude. That's very weird on wide angle to walk into with this thing. So we've got Black Hall over here doing some stuffs. He's gonna try to work miracles. Wow, this is actually a lot better. I mean, yeah, exactly. So I tried to get him everything I could, except for apparently body hammers, which I may go and get. Probably?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna go and get those after I finish this. So, yeah, I got him this little, well, I got a little PDR kit here that you use glue and whatnot, and you put it on and do things with it. He's supposed to be using rubbing alcohol first, but that's empty. I do have some. You want me to put it in it so maybe we get some better attachment? Insertion? Okay. Anyway, so he's primarily here to fix this catastrophe of a hood and fix the catastrophe of a I'm sorry, this is a roof. That's a hood.
There you go, bud.
Thank you for correcting me. I appreciate you. You were gonna let me literally finish that, and then go and edit it in a day and see I'm an idiot.
Yep.
I am gonna start with the nose. I'm going to do some work on the nose. I have to finish organizing and cleaning because we cleared this out, and this was just a catch-all of garbage. So in order to fit the car, I had to clean a lot of garbage out, so I've got stuff everywhere. So I have to take care of that, but I will be doing this bumper. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this bumper. We got a new nose panel without holes and dents, for the most part. The new impact bar that goes with this bumper. I just need directionals, which I should probably order. Got the side markers that I don't know if I have. I'm gonna order a set of those real quick and order those. Those are unfortunately expensive. Those are fortunately cheap. The bumper has a crack in it, but we will do some repair. And that's about it. I do have a cracked lens, but you know what? These are like $150 a pop. I've got one good one and one not good one, so guess what's gonna stay? Perfect. We'll put a little bit of clear wrap over it so it's sealed and call it a day. I have some canard looking things that I think we're gonna end up doing something like that, make it look kind of race car-y and shit. I got a manual steering rack that's not going in until I figure out the end links, because I cut them off when I got it from the parts car, and I'm not 100% sure what I actually need because they're apparently different. So I'm not doing that quite yet. And then just garbage everywhere. So I'm excited for this, but I'm most excited for the Black Hall and the bodywork. So we're going to keep it red, and it's going to be much shinier than this. Stay tuned. We close the camper. And we've got Black Hall over here. Let's see how he's doing. So he used the paintless dent removal tool. Got rid of a bunch of dents. Took some paint off because clearly you know don't do body work like me, and you're supposed to prep your surface, but that's okay. So he's doing for like half of the time, basically, a third.
Yeah. Half.
Half-ish.
Half-ish.
The center is pretty good.
Yeah, it's not
good. Well, I'm definitely excited to see the hood nice and clean. I am gonna right now. I got some stuff to clean up out here before the night starts that I still never cleaned up because I got ice cream instead. So I'm gonna clean some of this stuff up. Like I said, pop-up's closed. I'm gonna put that out back out of the way and put a tarp over it so that could stay out back. And then I'm going to start on this front bumper. We're going to take this nose apart, leave the headlight capsules, leave the headlights, but I'm going to take the nose panel and the bumper and the valence, those two together, and start test fitting. Do a quick update for you guys here. I cleaned a lot, and Blackall has been working profusely on this absolutely terrible roof. God, this is terrible. He hasn't even made it to that garbage. But luckily, the rest of it just needs to be blocked. Because it's already, all the bodywork's already been done to the sides. It was just a catastrophe for the roof and the hood, because the old hood was garbage, and then this roof was, I didn't know what I wanted to do. So fixing it is obviously step one. So he's still going to town. We'll, again, I'm not doing any time lapse of him sanding, just because it's just sanding and putting Bondo down. So you want to learn how to do that stuff, watch a different YouTube channel, because he is professional, I am not. So it's getting dark and we're getting ready to eat. So once you're at a point where you're all set and you're ready to call it, we'll call it, and we'll boot back up in the morning and keep rocking and rolling. Sound like a plan?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
The enthusiasm and excitement coming off of it.
The next day.
Hello, children. Got a lot done, but got a lot of nothing done. Lawnmower. Went to fix that. I took the other one off, broke some bolts. Should have never touched it. So now I'm waiting on another part for that. So that's stupid. So that sits there now. R8 front end. Excuse you. R8 front end. Out in the backyard. Because garbage. Now I gotta move that piece of galvanized crap. Get rid of that. Quad's good. That's good. That's gonna be a keychain. A key holder for all the keys that I keep in mixed matched areas, because, you know, I like to lose things. Clean-ish. Needs pressure wash, but it's all clean here. Blackall. Blackall hates life. Yeah, honestly, he's fine with life. It's me he hates. So he's doing some skim coats, doing the last little bit here to get this roof done, so we can hopefully prime this sucker tonight. Fantastic. That's the energy. That's the positive energy I love, buddy. I am well aware you're serious. I still haven't even touched the front bumper. I should probably do that. Probably should do that now. I'm gonna do that now. Got some snipping and snapping to do. Some snipping and snapping. You got like 2 fingers. Yeah, like a finger and a half. That's perfect. Finger and a half on both sides. We're gonna start with that jib jab. Spank that off. We already got the whatcha-jibbit support, which has to definitely come up, because once we do this, we'll then be able to raise it and shimmy it some more.
Hey, presto changeo!
Ta-da! It's new car. Look, it's very pretty. It's great. Yes. Got the bumper on there. I think a 3-year-old could have cut better than I did, but that's okay. This side came out worse? Better? I don't really know. All I know is that apparently this is a different front Vela. Ah! Ah! I'm going on the internet. So, that's annoying. Gonna have to look for a different nose panel. But it looks cool. Well, other than this infinity. Looks great. Except the nose panel isn't right because it protrudes in a different acrament. That's pushed in all the way, man. That's ah! Good.
Stop touching it!
Leave me my special stuff alone. Okay? So yeah, that's uber annoying. 100% uber annoying. 140,000% uber annoying. So Lego.
You know this guy what makes you want to do?
There goes the bodywork quality at this point. So,
Done.
but at least it's semi together. The rough shape is it's A shape.
It was a car, technically.
It's still a car, yeah. Yeah. So Blackwell's gonna keep going on the roof for now for a short period of time here before I have to drive his beautiful cleared home. And I did order the clear lenses. I do have to repair the bumper down here a little bit. And then I ordered the side markers because I don't know what happened to the ones from the maroon one, so they would from this and that, and I just ordered another set. So,
What year is the bumper?
dude, I don't know.
Oh,
You're asking questions that you expect answers for that normal people would have, but this is Half.Ass.Garage.
And the car's an 87, the motor's an 02, you know.
Nope. Okay, so the car's an 84.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
Car's an 84.
The front nose is like an 87, man.
This is an S2 style front bumper from 85 and a half and up, maybe 86 and a half and up. I can't remember. The nose panel is off of I don't know what car.
Apparently not the right one.
Dude. So, with all that being said, comment, like, subscribe, do things. I do have a few shirts for sale. Ones like I do have a couple of these for sale, and I am getting more for Wolfscart. And I'd say wish me luck, but really just wish Black all luck because I'm not doing anything. This is the most I've done in months on this thing. I haven't even driven it in months. So there's not really a huge to-do list besides bodywork and one coolant hose and bleed the system, and that's it. So roof, hood, miracle. See you guys later.